Hello and welcome to Pytechie. In today's session, we will explore different types of data in statistics. So, what is a data? Data is a raw information we collect about the world around us. It can be a number, words, measurement, or observation that describes things and events. By gathering and organizing data, we can spot patterns, answer questions, and make smarter decisions. Data is like a set of clues that tell us what really happening. Without it, we are just guessing. By collecting and looking at the data, we can understand the situation clearly, make decision better instead of relying on gut feeling, predict what might happen next. In short, data turns uncertainty into insights and insight into a smarter action. In statistics, data is broadly categorized into two main categories. One is a qualitative, another is a quantitative. Let's see them one by one. First, we will see qualitative. So, data that describe qualities or categories, not a number. So that we call a qualitative data. So there is a two types in further in a qualitative, nominal and ordinal. So any category without any order, we can say it is a nominal data, and with any category with having any logical order but no fixed difference is called a ordinal. So nominal, we can say example is a gender, color, city names, or anything which is without ordering format. And ordinal, which is in order format. So we can say movie rating from star 1, then we got star 2, star 3, star 4, star 5. So like that way, we have a movie rating. Similarly, we have a education level also. First we pass first standard, then we go to the second standard, then we go to the third standard. Like that way, this is ordinal. So this is an order format. Second one is a quantitative data sets. So there is a divided into two subcategories: discrete and continuous. So discrete you can understand as an integer number, or is it a countable number with no decimal, and continuous number it is a measurable value that can include a decimals, like we can say floating point number kind of. So example of discrete is student in class, number of cars in showrooms. They are actual number, they are integer number kind of round of number we have. And in continuous we have a like temperature. This is we have a floating values kind of height. That much you have height 40. Then weight we have. So these are the example of continuous variable. I hope you guys have no any confusion. We'll see you in next one. Thanks for watching the video.